Hello, this is a short video to show the user the grade sheet for courses like English 101, 102, and a few others. This is a grade sheet that Devin Adams, Shelley Rodrigo, and a few other instructors use for their courses. This specifically is for English 102, and this is where all of your grades will be housed. And as we grade, this is where we will post all of your homework assignment grades as well as your project grades. If you look here at the top, you will notice in the teal will be information about you, and then each of the modules is broken down by project. Okay, so you have the first, getting started, is just one deadline. In yellow is the maximum points for each of the homework assignments, and under it in white is the number of points that you have earned. So if it's 0 out of 0, you don't get anything for doing it. For example, reading a chapter. We can't measure if you read a chapter, so it's 0 out of 0. Although other things we can. So if you get 2 points maximum, you might get 1. If you do half of it, you may get 2, etc. If it's blank, that means it hasn't been graded yet. That grade has not been input into the computer yet, if it's blank. So please don't worry about blanks and assume that they're wrong or you did something wrong. The grade just hasn't been put in yet. Each of the modules is one of your projects, and we kind of broke that down so it's a little easier to see that. And then at the bottom, once we have put in the grades for, say, deadline 2 here, these numbers will update over here and then down here. So total homework earned and then total missed. You always want the earned number to be real high and the missed number not to be. This is just an example, so I have it set like this, and then the pie chart here is for you to gauge how you're doing in class with the homework. The homework possible is 400 points typically, which is about 40% of the grade. So it's it's pretty important to do your homework. And then down here will be your projects, and then the total points for the projects as well. And then if there's any extra credit involved, depending on the instructor. And then your final course grade is down here. So as you begin the course, your grade will look like it's really low. But when you finish the course and you finish deadline 15, this percentage here will be your percentage for the class. So you're building as you go along towards the grade that you hope to achieve in the class. Okay, and once again, this is shared through your maricopa.edu email account by your professor. You are able to view it and not edit it, and your professor is the only other person who sees this contract. Thank you.